Did you know HIV can be passed through semen, even if the person looks perfectly healthy? HIV lives in semen. This means during unprotected sex, the virus can pass from one partner to another. Even if there are no symptoms, HIV can still be transmitted. Using protection, like condoms, and knowing your status through regular testing is the safest way to protect yourself and your partner. Open communication about sexual health isn't just smart, it can save lives. Every sexual partner must understand this unseen link. Protect yourself, protect your partner. Get tested, stay safe, and spread awareness. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more important health information.